today Blake and I are gonna make a recipe that I got from the Good Dish talk show. And I have to say, I am like loving this show, and those three ladies are amazing. And it's been inspiring me to get back in the kitchen, although my kitchen is in progress. But because of this TV show, I'm getting a little bit more inspired to do a couple other things. And they had this recipe this week that was so good. And I tested it out and I loved it. So now Blake is gonna help me make it. And I'm gonna do a quick version of it so that you guys can see and check out the show. The recipes are online at their show. So this is a
pizza burrito.
Carb-free pizza. Yes. So it's a carb-free pizza, and all you'll need, it's a little mini waffle maker or a waffle maker. And lo and behold, for Valentine's Day, I had gotten this little heart waffle maker. They made it in a round waffle maker, but these heart waffle makers are so cute. I bought this at Walmart. So I'm gonna make it in this because my kids are my love, right? So we're gonna make this pizza and it's gonna be super delicious, and that's what we're gonna eat. Are you ready? Stop eating the cheese, Blake. So what you'll need is a cup of mozzarella cheese. Oh, first we need to preheat our little waffle maker.
You're making pizza waffle?
Yes, pizza waffles. So we're gonna preheat the waffle maker, a cup of cheese, of mozzarella cheese, and then instead of flour, we're using almond flour.
I want to pour it.
No, you gotta get a quarter cup of it. So we're gonna do this.
No, give it to me.
Level it off.
Give it to me.
And put it in there. Just dump it in. Okay, great. Now we're gonna do a quarter teaspoon of garlic. Nope, not yet. Then we're gonna do a quarter cup of shredded Parmesan cheese. Okay, don't eat the cheese. We need the cheese, Blake. Forgot about the eggs. So you'll need 2 eggs. Ready? You're gonna mix it all up in a second. And
my turn.
Okay, mix. Okay. And then for the topping, some marinara sauce, some pepperoni. Why did I forget? Top it off with more Parmesan cheese and mozzarella cheese. So mix it really good. Let's put these things on the side. Make sure that you're gonna spray it a little bit, and then we're gonna I'm gonna make the first one. You're gonna put it right there. My husband now has the camera so that he can help us.
No, you.
Okay, and then in a few minutes,
it'll be done.
Now let's wait. Oh, while we're waiting, actually, I made it a little bit more special. Since I'm doing hearts, let's cut the pepperonis into hearts. Where is my cutter? So I'm gonna just cut my pepperonis into little heart shape.
I want to do it too.
Little hearts.
I want to do one.
Okay, you want to try? Okay.
It's done.
And then you can eat the scraps of the pepperoni or chop it up and put it in your sauce. That could work as well. Ooh. Look at this. So good. I actually think it could use a little bit more time. I think I put too much batter in that one. Pick it up. Look how cute this is. Look how cute. Adorable. And now we're going to top it with some marinara sauce. or any sauce of your choice.
I made my heart.
Some cheese.
Mom.
And then your heart pepperonis. Yeah, please.
And put a smile.
And then into the toaster oven. Oh, you want to put a happy face? Into the toaster oven. And we're just gonna wait until that cheese gets nice and gooey, and then we'll taste it. Oh, you think it's gonna come out good? It's ready.
It was on my face.
Yummo. Look at that. You want to try it?
I want you there.
Okay.
Over there. Is this pizza?
Yeah, let's try. Ready? So good. Does this mean because it has no carbs that I can eat like 20 of these? You guys should try it. So I'm gonna link it below so that you guys can go to The Good Dish and make this recipe yourself. Fun, simple, easy, and delicious.
Yes.